Welcome to my YouTube channel, Select Lifestyle. In this video, we will talk about 5 useful kitchen gadgets. This video is second part on this topic. If you want to watch more videos on this topic, then subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon, so you will be notified when more videos will be uploaded on this topic. Number 1. Food processor. A food processor is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to streamline food preparation tasks. With its powerful motor and array of attachments, it effortlessly chops, slices, dices, and purees ingredients, saving time and effort in the kitchen. From quickly whipping up sauces and dips to finely shredding vegetables, the food processor is a go-to tool for both amateur cooks and professional chefs, offering convenience and consistency in culinary endeavors. Beyond its basic functions, modern food processors often come equipped with additional features such as dough blades for kneading bread or pastry dough, citrus juicers, and emulsifying discs for creating creamy dressings and sauces. Its compact design makes it suitable for kitchens of all sizes, and its ease of use makes it a must-have appliance for anyone looking to elevate their cooking experience. Whether you're preparing a simple salad or embarking on a complex recipe, the food processor proves to be an invaluable companion, simplifying tasks and unlocking culinary creativity. Number 2. Dishwasher. The dishwasher, a modern marvel of household convenience, efficiently tackles the chore of dishwashing with ease. With its combination of water jets, detergent dispensers, and various wash cycles, the dishwasher swiftly transforms a mountain of dirty dishes into sparkling clean ones, saving time and effort for busy households. Its compact design seamlessly integrates into kitchen layouts, making it a staple appliance for maintaining cleanliness and convenience in modern living spaces. In conclusion, the dishwasher stands as a time-saving essential, streamlining kitchen routines and ensuring cleanliness with unmatched efficiency. Number 3. Coffee maker. A coffee maker is a quintessential appliance found in countless kitchens, seamlessly blending the art and science of brewing the perfect cup of coffee. With its diverse array of styles, from classic drip machines to sleek espresso makers, it caters to every coffee lover's taste. Beyond its convenience, a coffee maker symbolizes the ritualistic morning routine for many, serving as the catalyst for a productive day ahead. In the realm of culinary innovation, the coffee maker stands as an emblem of efficiency and precision. Its intricate mechanisms delicately extract the nuanced flavors and aromas from coffee beans, transforming humble grounds into a flavorful elixir. From the meticulous temperature control to the precise timing of the brewing process, every element harmonizes to produce a consistently satisfying cup of coffee. Beyond its functionality, the coffee maker fosters experimentation, inviting enthusiasts to explore various brewing techniques and bean varieties, elevating the coffee drinking experience to new heights of enjoyment and appreciation. Number 4. Toaster. The toaster, a kitchen staple, embodies simplicity and efficiency in its design. With its ability to transform ordinary slices of bread into golden, crispy delights, it brings comfort and convenience to breakfast routines worldwide. Whether it's the classic pop-up toaster or the sleek modern iterations, this humble appliance continues to toast our mornings with its warmth and reliability, making it an indispensable ally in the realm of culinary convenience. In conclusion, the toaster remains an indispensable ally, reliably toasting our mornings and adding warmth to our daily routines. Number 5. Air fryer. The air fryer has revolutionized the way we approach cooking, offering a healthier alternative to traditional frying methods. By circulating hot air around the food, it creates a crispy outer layer while using significantly less oil compared to deep frying. Its versatility allows for cooking various dishes, from crispy fries to succulent chicken wings, with remarkable speed and convenience. With adjustable temperature settings and a compact design, the air fryer has become a staple in kitchens worldwide, catering to health-conscious individuals seeking delicious, guilt-free meals. In recent years, the air fryer has emerged as a kitchen essential, offering a convenient solution for achieving crispy, flavorful dishes without the excessive use of oil. Its innovative technology utilizes rapid air circulation to evenly cook food, resulting in a crunchy exterior and tender interior. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Select Lifestyle to get more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching. We will meet with another informative video. Take care and goodbye.